Hi guys, this is me. If you guys are wondering why I'm wearing glasses, you've not seen me wear glasses in any of my videos, it is because my eyesight is not good. I started noticing that my eyesight was starting to go downhill close to about a year ago, and I bought these glasses about 6 or 7 months ago. I am going to be getting prescription glasses. These are not prescription glasses. These are glasses you can buy at Walmart or Kroger's or Target or wherever, but they serve the purpose that I want them to be for, and that is to allow me to read what's in front of me. I actually had an employee that was like, well, you don't need glasses, all this stuff. And I'm like, please stop pretending that you know my body, because you don't. You don't. So, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Texas appellate court's decision that made me laugh and cry at the same time. So, we all know that Texas and Florida lead the states in the number of book bans. And for that little asshole woman that believes that book bans are not real and that nobody's banning books, yeah, tell that to the judges. Use the word banned in their decision. So, it went to appellate court, and they ruled that the plaintiffs would likely win their First Amendment claims, that this law, which is known as the Readers Act, would in fact cause harm to their business, cause harm to them as plaintiffs, all that stuff. So two booksellers and an organization that is dedicated to freedom of speech brought a lawsuit against the state of Texas. They won, they won here, and then they won here. So, really, the only way that you could possibly embarrass Texas anymore is if Texas takes the dumbest move known to man by going up to the U.S. Supreme Court. Seriously, you know how rare it is for them to overturn a precedent's, especially presidents that they don't really care about. Like, really? Like, oh yeah, they overturned Roe, they'll overturn Pico. If the justices don't give a shit about about the state of Texas, yeah. So if it goes to U.S. Supreme Court, there's a very good chance that they will say, sorry, not going to hear it. Or they may hear it just to embarrass the fuck out of Texas. Now, what happens if they decide to take the case up? Well, I'm not an attorney. But I'm just going to use from what I've seen in past decisions to make my assumption. If the Supreme Court does decide to hear the Texas book ban, or the Readers Act, and they rule that this ban violates the First Amendment, they're not just going to attack this Readers Act. They're going to attack the Stop Woke Act, any kind of law that violates the First Amendment by punishing librarians, all this type of stuff is going to become null and void. Meaning that you're not going to be allowed to challenge a book, you're not going to be allowed to ban books, none of that stuff. So, for people that think that banning books is great and that there's no way I'm violating the Constitution, if the Supreme Court rules, yeah, you are, then that would be the end of it. Hopefully that would be the end of it. So, just a little bit of news about it, and I'm going to let you guys go.